All right, let's talk about recycling. I know it's not our favorite thing to do. But with us here today is this startup from the UK. They're using AI to sort out plastics, paper, cartons, and aluminum in a much better way. Welcome to the stage, Seb Millar, ML Engineering Manager of Recycleye.
Good evening, Impact Week. How are we doing? There we go. Now, managing waste is a global problem. We're going to start with some unfortunate facts. Only 9% of plastic ever produced has been recycled. Now, to put that in context, in 2019 alone, 460 million tons of plastic were produced, and half of it ended up straight in landfill. My name's Seb, and I'm part of the game-changing team at Recycleye, aiming to rewrite the economics of recycling. So, you may ask yourself, how did it get so bad? Now, unfortunately, the economics of it is the crux, as it so often is. It's just not worth the money it takes to sort and process waste compared to actually just digging up more, which is terrible. But that's how we end up with things like incineration and landfill. Until now, most of the sorting has been manual. Now, when I mean manual, I mean like literally guys shoveling through it, right? This isn't a great solution. It's really, really tough. It's a challenging job. And on average, people only stay in the role for 6 months, which is just a constant cost. So there's a pressing need for an automated, scalable recycling solution that doesn't break the bank or our planet. All right, I want to talk about what we actually did about this, all right? So, clicking through, we got our little guy. Some noise for the guy. Look at him go. All right, what we do is we get a camera and we install it above the conveyor belt, and we use recent breakthroughs in computer vision and machine learning to train models that can identify everything on that waste stream, right? And then we send signals over to the robot to actually sort it in whatever the customer wants. I joined Recycleye in the height of COVID when we were at pre-seed stage with only 6 people. During COVID, I ran machine learning experiments from my childhood bedroom in order to pass our first commercial pilots. And since then, we've been on this massive exponential growth. 3 years later, I'm running the machine learning team at Recycleye that continues to expand our AI systems capabilities. Now, these systems have been deployed to over 20 centers and have sorted through tens of millions of items. One model in particular that I remember training in the early days was there to sort Tetra Pak. And over the last 18 months, has single-handedly saved 3.5 million cartons from going straight to incinerator on that one robot alone. Thank you. Oh my God, isn't that crazy? The plant manager actually recently bought a big double-down order, buying 4 more robots, and was cited saying, I want as many of these damn robots as I can get my hands on. So people like them. In January, we raised our Series A, raising $17 million and expanding to 50 people. Now, those 20 centers we've deployed to are only the beginning. Our goal is to measurably and substantially improve global recycling rates. So there's a huge path forward ahead of us. We're at the forefront of where new technologies are fundamentally attacking climate change. Together, we can turn the tide, automating recycling today for a cleaner, healthier tomorrow. Thank you very much, Impact. If you see me later, let's talk trash. Thank you.